people, I mean, some of these cars, dude, am I just too damn tall?
That's funny because you're not that tall.
No, I'm not.
But people were like 5'2" back then.
You ready?
Yeah, pump it gently and slowly. Leaking.
Where?
Banjo bolt right here.
Okay, hold on.
Right there.
Right where? Show me.
The fitting coming right out of the fucking thing. It's piddling.
It's piddling. Okay, so I might need to just adjust it up a little bit.
Just crank it a little.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I might need to just adjust it a little bit.
I'm sure we need to go through and check all of them.
Oh, I'm sure. There's no doubt. I mean, everything's all brand new. 5/8 or 11/16.
Yes, both. Just grab both for fun. Calibrated eye's a little tired right now, buddy.
Makes two of us.
It's a calibrated peepee. What size is that? Trade you. Get in there, you fucking whore.
I would prefer to have to readjust than to find out I screwed something up. So that's why it's always good to triple check.
Why don't you pump me? I mean...
Wait a minute, pump you? Shit, no. Get over there.
No, look, the brakes, dude. Come on.
It'll never change. Get over yourself.
I know.
Ready?
Yep, nice and gentle. All right, no more leaky. There, anyway. Keep pumping. I'm just going to put a little ass on it for fun. Keep pumping. Ooh, yeah, there we go. We had some fluid go down. Ooh! Keep going. Wow. It's going down quite a bit. Here, let me fill this.
Go ahead, I'll stop.
And then maybe what I'll do is we'll put you in the car and I'll have you pump it and I'll start just looking for leaks. Like I'll put it up with you in it. Give it a little pump.
Ready?
Yeah. Come on, you fucking bastard. What the fuck, dude? There it goes. I'm starting it. Gentle. 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 Okay, close the door because I'm going to put you up. I'm going to get it up. I mean, wait a minute. All right. Next thing you know, Scotty's going to be the magical flying muskrat. One flying muskrat. All right, so I found us a little big leak, but it's just the hard line going to the right rear from the T. So I'm going to tighten that up, and then I'm going to have Scotty pump it. Just hang tight. So I'm going to do that, and then we will pump.